Hi mga ka-epic! This is Chester and welcome back to my YouTube channel! For today's video is another Chesterific's kitchen and I'm going to cook cheesy baked oyster or talaba. Manonotice nyo ka-epic, I am gaining weight kasi tinigil ko muna yung balik alindog program because of my health issue. Soon, pag naging okay na, magpapayat na ulit. Sa mga tutorial video na makikita nyo sa iba, pinapakita lang nila how to cook that or how to cook the oyster. How to bake the oyster. Pero ako, I will show you how to clean the dirty talaba. Please stay tuned.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
No. No.
A few moments later.
Finally, it's already clean. And then, we're going to open the talaba. Actually, I don't know how to bukas-bukas this. Kaya naman, I tell my mom, Mom, please open this for me. Wow, this is fresh from the farm. Here's the 3 ingredients for the filling: cheese, butter, and garlic. First of all, we need to mince this garlic by using this chopper. And we need to hila-hila this to chop the garlic. And then, we need to gayat the cheese. Combine all the ingredients and add some melted butter and mix it all together. Prepare a baking sheet with lemon and a lot of salt. Salt for taste and lemon for aroma. Lagyan na natin ang talaba ng cheese mixture. The cheesier, the merrier. Ayan na, we're going to bake na. Temperature will be 170 degrees Celsius and 10 minutes. Pag na-preheat mo, if hindi mo na-preheat, go for 15 minutes. That's the perfect timing. Looks so yummy. This is the finished product. If you want to get more delicious recipe, just subscribe to my channel and hit mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga future videos ko. Maraming salamat at paalam!